Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the environment. Install Zarchiver and grant it storage permission. Once done, navigate to the folder where the Android/data archive or backup lives, internal storage, SD, or a mounted path. If your device blocks Android/data on Android 11 and up, make sure to enable all files access for Zarchiver or plan an ADB pull from a PC. Now tap the archive to view it. You'll see entries and subfolders ready for extraction, so proceed with the next steps. You now extract and inspect contents carefully. First, preview files inside the archive to confirm what you need, then choose Extract here for quick access or Extract to keep the original folder structure. As you extract, monitor progress and available space. Zarchiver shows errors inline. Once files are out, use the test function on the archive or open critical files to verify integrity. If you need only a subset, use Select to pick files, then extract those alone to save time and space. Finish by placing restored files where the app expects them. Match package folder names and permissions, then restart the app so it recognizes the data. If you hit permission errors, stop and regrant all files access to Zarchiver, or perform an ADB transfer from your PC which bypasses sandbox restrictions. If files fail to open or extraction aborts, try Zarchiver's repair option or reacquire the archive. One key tip: if Android/data remains inaccessible,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.